All right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or heist for the week. This is $108.50 worth of goods. Since all said and done, I had an overage, a moneymaker of $4.87. And as always, that total includes a tax, so we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. It says for the week of May 12th to May 18th, or May 11th to May 17th if you live up north or out of the state of Florida. So today's Thursday, the first day of the sale. I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel to get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week, because some of these deals will go away when coupon expires or whatnot. But I got 10 or so best deals, not a huge week, but 10 or so best deals you can do this week. So let's get right into it. Do this again, the Baya drink. Very difficult, but there is one store and they have a ton of it, so I definitely stop by that store to get my free Baya drink. So it's $3.23 with tax, digital coupon, get it clipped, and it takes that off. Now if you don't have it clipped, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip here for digital coupons. I clip every one of them. I clip every digital coupons, and you'll see that you start building them up, and they don't expire, I guess, or they don't go away when you clip them. So it took me about 6-7 minutes and just clip all 200 or even 300 coupons, however many you got. So clip those digital coupons, clip them all is my recommendation or my tip of the week. All right, Schick Extreme razors. I saw these. I wanted to do the deal again. $5.99. I was like, awesome. They're still on sale, the unadvertised sale. So you buy two of them, they ring up $7.99. So buy two of them is $17.18, and you know where I'm going with this. I used two of those manufacturer coupons from the 424 Smart Source, so I took $8 off, and then Ibotta has $2 off of each one. I recommend just scanning. I selected all the Schick. There's a bunch of Schick Ibotta rebates, and I just kind of scanned all of them, and there's a $2 off one that links to this one. So that one, I used that. So that was another $4 off because I did it twice. And Publix Promise, these were marked $5.99 on the shelf as they were last week. They still have the old tag on there. So Publix Promise is granted. They did it correctly this time. So they basically refund you the item, and then they give you the next item for the discounted price, which would have been $5.99. So as you can see, they credited me $10.59 on those, and the coupon stayed, so that was a $5.41 overage. Thus my overage this week. But hey, it's me being aware as a customer, couponer, shopper, knowing the price, and when it rings up wrong, I don't say anything, and then I go back to them later and show them my receipt, show them the price on the shelf, and Publix Promise. Granted, I hope you guys can get a Publix Promise, a really good policy. Of course, you know, they should not sell you the item, advertise a lower price, and then when you get to the register, sell you a higher price. I mean, come on, that's just bait and switch or whatever you call it. So, but anyways, that's how it worked out for me today. Helman's. There you go. Spicy mayo. Regular price $4.99. They're on sale 2 for $6, so $3 for that, no tax. Publix digital coupon takes $1 off, and Fetch has 1,000 points, which is another $1. Ibotta has 75-cent. Ibotta rebate only costing me 25 cents. Some of you may have 2,000 Fetch points, so you'll probably do better than me on that. Centrum minis. These guys are $12.99. However, at this store I go to, they ring up $4.99. So that's great. And there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. It's under Caltrate, and Ibotta has $3 off, making that a 1 cent overage on those Centrums. Keep going. Laughing Cow, Mini, Baby Bell, Gouda cheese original. So these things are regular price $7.49. So for two of them would cost $14.98. They're BOGO, so you pay $7.49 for both. You can submit to Swagbucks or My Points. My Points has 1,040 My Points, which is equivalent to like $6.50 or a little less. But so when you factor that in, these only cost you $1.09. Now, I did not go through, so I requested a review, and I'm confident it will go through on those. All right, Talenti, sorbetta. Wow, so this is probably the best deal. These are regular price $5.09. So for 4 of them with tax comes to $21.89. However, they're BOGO, so for 4 of them with tax comes to $10.89. Now, there is a manufacturer printable coupon. If you sign up for the Unilever, they send you all these coupons out. So there's $1.25 off of. I used 2 of them. I had 2 of them in there, so I used 2 of them. So I got $1.25 off. So that was $2.50 off right there. And then Fetch has 50% back on these. So 50% back on 4 of them. You're looking at 10,000 fetch points, 10,180 fetch points, which is equivalent to $10.18. Actually, there's a little more because when you submit to fetch, you get all kinds of, little points there, here and there. So a little bit more, but I won't even count that. Now, Ibotta has $3 back. It's not on this flavor, but I selected both of the 2 flavors that it is in Ibotta, and it automatically took it off, limit of 3, so that was another $3 to the good. So gotta love that. $4.79 overage on that. Got the detailed breakdown below, as well as the links to print all these coupons. So I know I'm speaking fast, but my Mochi, these are $5.99. So for 2 of them would be $12.88. However, they're BOGO, so for 2 of them cost $6.44. And there's a manufacturer printable. As I said, I got the link to print that below for $1 off. I used 2 of those, and then Ibotta has $1.25 back on both of those, so that's $2.50. So it only cost me $1.94 on those. All right, keep going. Chapstick single. These are $1.79. Add the tax, $1.92. From the extra savings book, there is $1 off, and there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. So clip that. It did not come off, but I showed them at the register, and it took it off. So that was an 8-cent over. I showed them at customer service, and they took it off. So that was an 8-cent overage right there on that guy. And all right, let's go. Let's see the 9 elements. This is still on sale. There's still the Publix digital coupon. So the regular price, I believe, is $7.99. So you're looking at $8.59, but it's on sale for $6.39. So with tax, it comes to $7.07. And it's Publix digital coupon for $5 off. That's a good digital coupon there. I think it expires today or tomorrow or the next day. So get on that. That's only costing you $2.07 right there. So it's a good deal on those. And finally, I got 4 of these. There's only 2 up there. But I got 4 of these Suave 3-in-1 hair and body. Actually, 3-in-1 hair and body and face wash. It used to be just hair and body, but now it's hair and body and face wash. Wow. So there you go. Body is, I guess the face is not part of the body, so add that bonus in there. But so these are regularly $2.29. So for 4 of them with tax comes to $9.84. And then it was on Mother's Day. They sent me this. Unilever sent me this $2 off 2 Suave products. So as I said, sign up for the Unilever. It always goes to my junk mail, and I checked. And on Mother's Day, there was a $2 off of 2 Suave products, squeeze twin packs, trial and travel size. So those were good. So I used 2 of those. So that took $2 off. And then there is this extra savings store coupon. I used 4 of those. $1 off Suave hair product. I guess they could argue hair and body wash. This is body wash. But there's hair on there. No problem. They took it off. And then Fetch as well has 1,000 Fetch points on 2. So it's equivalent to another $1. You're allowed to do it 5 times. I did it twice. So making that guy a 16-cent overage. So once again, paid to shop. You can look at my track record. Oh, I forgot the Tates, man. Can't forget those. So these are $1.25 regular price, and there's a digital coupon that takes $1.25 off. So making those totally free. So can't forget those. So once again, that was my total there. $108.50 for the goods, and once again, paid to shop. I had a $4.87 overage moneymaker. Kept the streak alive. So everybody enjoy their couponing this week.